Hi friends, this week we are talking about the weather. Today we're going to talk about the different clothes that we wear for different weather. We know that we do not always wear the same thing. We get dressed according to what is going on outside. If it is snowing out, I would definitely not wear the same thing that I would wear when it's summer and very hot out. Okay, definitely different things that I wear. So the book that we're going to read today talks a little bit about what I wear for different weather. So, what should I wear? Shirt, pants, socks, and shoes. I put these on to go to school. Gloves, hat, scarf, and coat. Okay, so I'm looking, I see a very heavy coat, a hat, a scarf, and gloves. What kind of weather do you think that you would wear these for? Would it be for a very hot day where the sun is out and shining? Or do you think that it would be for a very cold day where maybe it's snowing, or it could snow, or it looks like it might snow? Which one do you think? That's right, it would be for the cold day. I put these on to go sledding. So here we have this friend, and he's wearing those out in the snow. He gets bundled up to keep him warm. Sweater, skirt, necklace, and hat. Okay, so she has on this very nice outfit. What do you think that she might be wearing that for? I put these on to go out to dinner. So she's dressed up all nice. Raincoat, boots, an umbrella too. If I was wearing my raincoat, I had an umbrella, I had my rain boots on, what kind of weather do you think that I would be getting dressed for? That's right, for a rainy day. I use these when it's raining. Shorts, t-shirt, sandals, and sunglasses. I love my sunglasses. And I also love flip-flops. I can't wait for this kind of weather. What kind of weather do you think that you would wear an outfit like this for? I put these on when it's sunny. So it looks like she might be going to the beach, and it looks like that might be a shell. Those are things that we would wear when it's warm, it's sunny, maybe it's summer. Okay, I would definitely not wear those in the winter when it's snowing. I would be very, very cold. Bathing suit, goggles, flippers, and floats. Ooh, where would you wear those things? Or what might you be doing if you were going to wear those things? What do you think? I use these to go swimming. And again, swimming is something that we wouldn't do if it was super, super cold outside or if it was snowing outside because it would just be way too cold, right? You'd freeze out there. The water might even be frozen. You might not even be able to go in the water. Underwear, socks, pajamas, and teddy bear. When do you think that you would wear things like that? Let's see. That's all I need for bed. Good night. Okay, so obviously we wear our pajamas to bed and sometimes wear them to school for fun days like pajama day, right? But we definitely get dressed according to what we're doing and what the weather is outside. So here are some of the words from our book. We have a shirt. Okay, we should all know what a shirt is, right? Our shoes, gloves, hat, sweater, and skirts. Those are words that you might not have known. We have raincoat, umbrella, sandals, bathing suit, and pajamas. Hopefully, friends, you liked this book today. Please go do our activity on getting dressed for the weather. See you soon. Bye.